Hello guys, Spartan here, and today we got a microphone to unbox, and this is not a regular microphone. This is Rode NT USB, and it's all glory. So this is USB microphone, and you can tell it looks really cool over here. Alright, let's start with the box. So over here in the front of the box we have an NT-USB versatile studio quality USB microphone. And I heard and read a lot of reviews about this microphone saying that's one of the greatest microphones sub $200. So on the sides, what we got on the side? We got a random dude singing, and on this side it shows few features that this microphone is capable of. So you can plug your headphones directly into it to monitor the volume and the sound quality. It's also compatible with the iPads, and it comes with a pop filter and a stand. Let's turn it over here. A little writing over here, Rode, of course, with the signature logo. On the bottom, I'm guessing it's nothing, and it's nothing. Okay, now we saw the box. Let's get inside. For that, I got my handy knife over here. Let's cut the tape over here. And open the box. Nice. It comes with this nice foam that protects our product, so it arrives in one piece and unharmed. And after we remove this foam over here, we agree with this nice presentation of these components that come with this mic. And first, let's take a look at this thing over here, which is a stand, and has a standard 3/8 microphone mount, if I'm not mistaken. It has 3 legs. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 legs. God damn it. Rode sign over here. Rubber feet, and it's overall made with plastic, and it's alright one, you know what I mean? You can absorb some shock waves coming from your table, I guess. Let's put this over here. Let's remove this over here, and nice. We're greeted by this long, really long cable, which is a USB type A to USB type B. And this is really long. This is nice. So you can run it all the way from a computer to whatever you can possibly be. If it's too short, you can always probably extend it with the USB extenders. Over here with pouch, it's like a nice leather pouch. It's like a Rode logo on it. I doubt it's real leather, but it feels really nice to touch. Let's unzip it. There's something in there. Oh yeah, there's like a sticker. I love Rode microphones. You can put it on your wall, be like a fanboy, or you really like your product, so you can enjoy and let people know that you love their product. Over here we have a nice, colorful, which is nice, user manual, which is really nice, and it's handy. You can actually put it in a pouch and bring it with you anywhere. It's pretty cool. Put it over here, and a pouch. Pouch is really nice. It's really like kind of thick actually. There's like a foam inside. It'll probably protect your microphone if it actually fits in there. So now, this comes out nice. It's empty. Let's put it away over here. And it's a nice solid piece of foam. And we have our pop filter. No, we got a whole thing all together. Nice. There's one more piece of foam over here. Let's get it out. Wow, this thing is beautiful, guys. Look at this. This pop filter is so nice. Whole micro is nice, you know what I mean? It's like all made of aluminum, I'm guessing, or some kind of alloy. It's pretty heavy for a microphone, real heavy. It feels solid. What we have over here is activate your free extended warranty now. Okay, I'll make sure I do. And you can probably, yeah, nice. So you have your plug over here where the USB cable plugs into. Let's put this away. Over here we have a mount for the stand, and little arm over here. You can adjust your, desired height or whatever, the angle. Got a couple knobs over here. These are for headphone monitoring, and then if you mix an audio from a computer, you can just adjust how much of audio from computer you're hearing versus how much you hear yourself or whatever it's picking up through this microphone. Okay, I'll screw this thing over here. It's really squeaky. It's only because it's aluminum built. This comes out nicely. If you want to like use it without the pop filter, you can just put it back like that. And this is nice. This is really nice. Let's see if it fits in a pouch. And it does. It's nice in there. It's soft in there. It's gonna keep it protected in your bag or whatever. You can carry it like that. Oh, we got silicone over here and nothing else over here. Okay, this is our one microphone over here, the stand. But to be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna use it with this. So if you guys give me a second, I got another thing to unbox. Okay guys, here I am and I got this. So this is a PSA1 studio arm. So it's like a, you probably saw it already. So I'm gonna tell this is not new. I just picked it up used because it's just a stand, you know what I mean? It doesn't get old, does it? Let's see what we got inside. Okay, another box. Over here. Reach inside and it's here. It's here. Anything else in the box? Okay, and we got this over here, which is a mount for it. Obviously, I didn't get the other mount it's for a desk. They could, you know, drill a hole in the desk and mount it like that. But this would do it too. So this is like a little mount over here. You know, turn this thing, put it on your desk, and then turn it until it clamps on. With a little logo on it. This hole is not through, so it's not gonna actually ride on your desk. Put it over here. And this is a arm itself, which should be spring loaded, which it really is. This thing, it's pretty long. I mean, you know what I mean? You can mount it all the way on the side of the table and still kind of manage to be in front of your face. It's nice and tight, you know what I mean? I wonder how it's gonna work with the microphone, because there's like a lot of spring to it, as you can tell. Little nice noise to it. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna do that to your desk, you know what I mean, to hear the noises. Let's plug it in and see how it works.
3 days later.
Alright guys, here we are. This took me longer than I intended to, but it was well worth it. I mean, right now I'm recording on Adobe Audition and results are so much better. I mean, you have to hear it to yourself to really compare and see which one is better. But as a first second, you see how much better your audio is. When wiring this microphone, I encountered only 2 problems, one being under my desk, as you can see in this clip. Yeah, that was a before and after. That's why it took me so long. Yes, I had a rat's nest under my desk, but now it's all clean, it's all tight, and the microphone's wired up and ready to go. And the second problem. So I thought it's a cool idea to get the external microphone like this to bring my level of audio from here to a couple notches above, if not more than that. But it comes with a caveat. So this wasn't easy as I thought it was going to be, because when I'm recording with my camera, I have a microphone right on it. It's a small little cheap microphone from Rode, respectively. It's probably the cheapest microphone that they sell, and if I'm not mistaken, it's a Rode Video Micro, and it's serving me well till this very moment. But let's get to the point. So this one, it's not as easy. You don't push the button, you don't record. You have to have like some kind of software in your computer running in the background all the time and recording as you talk. So it's a one thing. Plus, the input that this microphone has, it's very, very wide or broad. So it picks up every single noise. You can be on the outside and talking. You can drive a car like, I don't know, mile away or half a mile away, and you can actually, when you plug your headphones to it, you can hear every single thing. Like when you flip the page in the book, and this thing sounds like a disaster, like something just came down crushing. But that's how quality is determined. So there is some filtering that needs to be done, some editing that needs to be done, and it's not as easy as it seems just to slap a microphone on a boom stand and talk to it. It's a half of the job. It's a good half of the job, but the other half happens in the computer after you're done. And right now, let's compare the microphones. So I'm gonna switch between one microphone to another, and so you can guys see the difference of the quality of the microphones. Hello guys, Spartan Beard here. Mic check, 1, 2, 3.
Hello guys, Spartan Beard here. Mic check, 1, 2, 3.
So as you guys saw, the difference is really, really big. So it's well worth it to invest in a good microphone like this if you are going to use it. If you're gonna just buy it and put it on your desk to look cool, it's not worth the money, which you can invest in better things, which is you. So as you notice, this microphone does very well on audio, but as far as the video, I got beauty shots. Let's get to it now. Neat, huh? I like it. That's it for today, guys. If you guys liked the video, you guys know what to do. Please subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, this was me, Spartan Beard, and I see you guys on the other side.